to create offers in Gym Coach app. Using Gym Coach app, you can add any special time or festive offers accordingly. To do this, first go to Accounts and then click on Offers. To create an offers, click on to the plus icon above and then add offer name followed by the description. Next, generate a coupon code of your choice and choose the discount type, whether percentage or amount. Then add discount value and set discount limit. If you set 0, then you can use as many times this coupon till the end date. Next, add your start date and end date of the offer. Click Next and now select Customer Category. If you want to provide the offer for everyone, then select All. If you want to limit the offer only for certain people or customer, then select Choose Customer option and choose from the below list or customers accordingly. You can also select workout category on which this offer is valid and on which place plan the offer valid as per your convenience. Now select Active button to activate the offer. Lastly, click on to the Submit button and your coupon code will be generated. Now, in this way, you can create your own offers and coupons in Gym Coach app. Thank you.